Before the Gulf states had their own currencies, P. narrator. Before the Gulf states had their own currencies, people used a mix of coins, Indian rupees, British shillings, Persian coins, and sometimes gold or silver. From the early 20th century to the 1960s, the Indian rupee was the main currency in the region. In 1959, the Reserve Bank of India even issued a special version, the Gulf rupee, used specifically in the Trucial states, including Dubai and Qatar. But with growing national pride and the devaluation of the Gulf rupee in 1966, countries like Qatar and Dubai decided enough. It was time for their own currency. In 1966, Qatar and Dubai teamed up to create a joint currency, the Qatar and Dubai Rial. It was issued by the newly established Qatar and Dubai Currency Board. The currency came in banknotes, no coins yet, and was pegged to the British pound. This partnership lasted until 1973, when things changed. In 1971, the United Arab Emirates was formed and Dubai joined the federation. Qatar, meanwhile, continued on its own monetary path. By 1973, the shared rial was retired. Each country launched its own currency system. With the breakup of the shared currency, both Qatar and the UAE created new monetary systems. Qatar launched the Qatari Rial, QAR, in 1973. The UAE launched the UAE dirham, AED, in the same year. Here's the twist: while the Qatari Rial is the main unit, it's subdivided into 100 dirhams. So both Qatar and the UAE have coins called dirham, but in different systems. In UAE, 1 dirham equals 100 fils. In Qatar, 1 rial equals 100 dirhams. So when we say 1 dirham coin, we are usually referring to UAE's 1 dirham, the most common coin in the region. The UAE 1 dirham coin is instantly recognizable. It's made from a copper-nickel alloy, silver in color, round in shape, and light in your palm. Size and weight: diameter 23.8 millimeters, weight 6.4 grams, edge milled, small grooves. Issued by the Central Bank of the UAE, with coins minted in various locations over time, including the UK and France. The 1 dirham Qatari coin is quite rare today, as inflation has made it largely obsolete. Most Qataris and visitors use 25 or 50 dirham coins for small purchases, if not paper money or digital payments. In 1966, Qatar and Dubai teamed up to create a joint currency, the Qatar and Dubai Rial. It was issued by the newly established Qatar and Dubai Currency Board. Some earlier versions of the 1 dirham coin are now considered collectible, especially those minted in the 1970s and early 1980s with limited. And as a symbol of national identity, the dirham still holds emotional and historical value. The 1 dirham coin, whether in Qatar or Dubai, tells a story of transformation. From colonial currencies to national pride, from trade routes to skyscrapers, it has been there through it all. Next time you hold one in your hand, remember, it's not just a coin, it's a piece of history. Thanks for watching.